Kat haduk menta ki pulit kila itho ya ki sangut ki beriu ki baka dorkman ki badan kti ha ki kam thombor ki balaja ha ka khat khandai trik nailar hashlong kham tam ka jing thombor ki kali ki badan ya registration number Assam pintip ka sarkar Meghalaya ha ka jingalang bat ka sarkar Assam ha ka arpo artrik nailar halor kini ki jingjia la thawru ya ka special investigation team SIT ban itho ya baro ki badan kti bat ban penthi kina bakin syap pengat ha ka jing syap penshitam kat kum kaan ya kani ka jinglong jingman lapan pau ha kati ka jingalang ha pring ki he sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya kabalalong ha koina dhara state guest house ha Guwahati Assam kat kum ka jing pentip dakatunat DIPR ka sarkar Meghalaya kala pentip ha ka jingalang bala itho ya ki sangut ki beriu ki bala ka dorkman halor ka jingdan kti ka jongki ha kini ki jingjia kam thombor kham tam ka jing thombor ya ki kali Assam ka sarkar Meghalaya kalapan pauru ka jing sngo benyau ka bajur ha ka bayade bat ki jingjia kam thombor ki balajia ha ka khat khandai trik nailar bat kala kular ban shimi ki senjam pating e persya ya ki tu ki badan kti ka sarkar jila kalapan tip ru ha ka jingalang balak kemno ya president Vice President but General Secretary ka Khasi Students Union KSU hapo ki kindon ka Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act haduk mentala de ban ujor haduk kumba khat sandri ki ejahar ha ka bayade bat kiti ki jingjia ong ka sarkar kajing itho ye kiti ki sangut ki beriu ki baka dorkman kalawan long ru hadien bakini ki artri ki jila ki la shimi ki senjam ban penbet ki jing e ki bami na ki jingjia bat ban wanra biang ya ka jing shania hapring ki patba ki balaj bawan hapring ka Meghalaya bat Assam
A joint meeting between the governments of Meghalaya and government of Assam was held today, the 22nd August, at Konedara State Guest House to deliberate upon developments following the incidents in Shillong on 19 August 2026. The meeting was led by the Honorable Teaching Minister Buni from Meghalaya Sri Asdar and the Honorable Minister's Government of Assam Sri Atul Bora and was attended by the senior officer of both state governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the KSU leaders. The government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 marks person have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 22 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that its control room has received 379 distress calls so far, and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of standard vehicles. Most of the standard travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier helped out in Meghalaya have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including Diumiam Lake sections, and completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. Dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating stranded individuals. WhatsApp number is 9+91 8101488 and landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. Permanent district level joint committees. A permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising Deputy Commissioners Nongpop and Deputy Commissioner Kamru Metropolitans, along with the police officer of the corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. It is very well has been done by the screen, so I'm very thankful to our police team, and we have acted very promptly, and even the involved leader has been arrested. And also today, after the third bed discussion, so we have formed a special investigative team, so to identify all the mistakes who are involved in this incident.